How does coinsurance work? Does anyone really know? I'm going to share a quick graphic that gives you a simple explanation of how coinsurance works. Basically, the coinsurance is the deal that you have with your insurance carrier on who is paying what for certain services. So if you have a coinsurance of 80%, most likely you're going to be paying 20% of the claim and your insurance company will be paying 80% for certain services. For certain office visits, you may only have a simple copay. Perhaps it's for if you get hospitalized. So if you get admitted into a hospital, whatever that rate is that your insurance company has negotiated with that hospital, insurance company will pay 80% of that bill and you will have to pay 20% of that bill. As mentioned before, in the MOOP, there is always a maximum out of pocket that each participant has. So if you get a $100,000 bill, are you gonna have to pay 20% of that, up to 20 grand? No. You're capped off eventually at your MOOP. So if it is a $100,000 bill, for argument's sake, you would pay 20% of that up to your MOOP. So if your max amount of pocket for the entire year is $5,000, eventually you get cut off and you pay $5,000, and at MOOP, that's when the insurance company pays 100%. The difference between an 80-20 coinsurance versus a 70-30 isn't as big as you once thought. Reach out to us if you have any questions on how coinsurance really works.